Hello everybody, welcome to Kaya's kitchen. In today's video we'll be preparing avocado toast, and for that we'll be having 2 slices of bread, avocado, lemon, butter, salt and black pepper to taste. And for that let us start. First let us cut our avocado. We will scoop and put in this bowl. This is a breakfast recipe. Next, we will mash our avocado. Add in some salt. Put aside. Take your lemon. Rub it on your working surface. On slice. We will be using the liquid, the lime juice. Squeeze it in your avocado to avoid oxidation. Next, mix your avocado. Make sure everything is combined. And put aside. Next, we will have to toast our breads. Let us go to the fireplace. Pan on the fire. Then, as the pan gets hot, take your slice of bread and apply some butter on top of it. On both sides. Make sure you have clean hands. Once our pan is hot, we will just place it on the pan. Now our pan is hot, we'll just add in our slice. Give it some few seconds to toast on that side, then turn to be brown on the other side, to avoid the bread becoming soggy. Always make sure you have clean hands while handling food to avoid contamination. With a few seconds. You can also use oil instead of butter. And instead of using slices of bread, you can use baguette. Our bread, let us check it. It started browning. We change to the other side and give it some few seconds. Just make sure it has browned evenly. If you can't do with your hands as turning them by your hands, you can use tongs or a spoon. Our bread is now ready. Let us remove it and set it aside. Let us now add black pepper so that we can do the final touches on our bread. So just a pinch of black pepper. You can mix. You can also add any spice that you wish to have. Just make sure it is well incorporated. Next, we will take our bread, put in some avocado on top. Make sure every corner of the bread gets some avocado. Put it aside. On top of the avocado bread toast, you can add black pepper, just a little further. And there we have it, our avocado toast. Enjoy.